Elephants are large land animals that are known for their long trunks, large ears, and gray skin. They are mammals and are part of the family Elephantidae, which includes two living species, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with African elephants being larger than Asian elephants. They can weigh up to 11,000 pounds and can grow up to 13 feet tall. They have long lifespans, with some individuals living up to 70 years in the wild. Elephants are herbivores, and they primarily eat grasses, leaves, bark, and fruit. They have strong social bonds and are known for their intelligence and memory. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even infrasonic sounds that humans cannot hear. Elephants are found in a variety of habitats, from dense rainforests to open savannas and grasslands. Their specific habitat depends on the species of elephant and their geographical location. African elephants are found in 37 countries in Africa and are primarily found in savannas, grasslands, and forests. They are also known to inhabit deserts and swamps. Overall, elephants require large areas of land to roam and access to water sources. They are important keystone species that play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems.